YouTubers. This is my first video ever. I cook various cuisines from my home kitchen. I want to teach you that delicious, simple meals can be created with basic pantry and refrigerated ingredients. I have a fantastic seafood market near where I live, and they provide you with white wine if you need it for cooking. I also purchased these roasted vegetables there. In fact, most of what you see here was purchased from my seafood market. What I do is just go to the market, see what's fresh that day, see what I feel like cooking, and bring it home and start creating. The ricotta cheese and the Parmesan cheese is what I had already in my refrigerator. What I'm going to do is open my pasta and put it into some boiling water with plenty of salt and chopped parsley. Add it to the ricotta cheese with salt, pepper, and some herbs. I'm adding salt and pepper. I have an automatic salt and pepper grinder to cut down on contamination. And also it's very easy and nice to use. Here I'm putting my Rao's pasta sauce into a pot, and I'm adding a white wine that was provided to me by my wonderful seafood market. I'm also going to add some white wine to the jar to get all of the pasta out, because Rao's is not cheap, but it's well worth every penny. It's so delicious. If you're not making homemade sauce, please try this sauce, Rao's pasta sauce. Any variety is very delicious. I'm adding my pasta sheets to water, and I'm leaving the top ajar just a little bit so it doesn't boil over. I've added extra virgin olive oil to my saucepan, and I'm seasoning my shrimp with salt, pepper, oregano, thyme. You can season your shrimp with whatever you like. I have lovely spices, but they're so hard to open. I'm checking my pasta, and it's al dente. It's ready to go. So I've taken that off the stove. I'm going to drain that in a minute. I'm adding my shrimp here to the pan, and I'm only going to cook those until they're firm and pink. Here I've cut the pasta sheets in half, and I've added those to a cooling rack. Anytime you cook pasta, you can just lay it out on a flat pan to cool. You don't have to add olive oil so it doesn't stick. Just lay it out flat on any kind of pan, and it will cool off nicely without sticking. Here I'm adding some tomato sauce to the plate, and these are oven safe plates, so I can put this under my broiler when I'm finished. I've added a noodle layer there, and I'm going to add some of my ricotta mixture. I'm adding a layer of roasted vegetables. Tomato sauce, another layer of pasta, and don't worry if your pasta sheets tear. You can add those to the in-between layers so they won't be seen. This is home cooking, not professional restaurant cooking, so don't worry about tearing pasta. I'm grating some fresh Parmesan Reggiano cheese on top. preparing some basil, another layer of pasta, more of the ricotta mixture, layer of tomato sauce, and a final layer topped with mozzarella cheese, fresh mozzarella from that wonderful seafood shop I told you about. I'm going to put this plate under the broiler for 7 to 10 minutes just so the vegetables and the pasta can heat up and the cheese can melt. Now I'm topping both of these with Parmesan cheese. I'm going to arrange fresh basil on the top as a garnish. Arrange the shrimp around the plate. And there you have it. That darn plate was hot. We don't waste anything around here because I pick my ingredients very carefully and I spend pretty good money on fresh ingredients. So I'm going to pack a lunch with the leftovers. Good to the last drop. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. This is my very first video ever, as I said in the beginning, so please be kind. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a like.